Okay, it's supposed to be spring here, you all, but it is not spring. It is cold. We've had snow. I'm just around the house. I don't have makeup on. Hair's not fixed. I don't care. Today I'm going to show you a recipe. It's called 1 Minute Fudge. My grandma used to make this. It is so good. Now hang on. We'll get all this stuff done before then, but then, you know, I'm not one of those precise people. What you need is a pot. The handles are coming off. They need to be refit, screwed back in, but you know what? Let me see if I can do that real fast. You need a screwdriver for this. Well, technically you need a screwdriver for this, but I don't even know where a screwdriver is in my house, because every time I try to find one, it's gone. So we're going to use our handy dandy kitchen knife. Okay. Now, all it is 3 ingredients. Peanut butter, sugar, and water. And pretty much everybody has sugar and water and peanut butter. Sugar. So what you need is 2 cups of granulated sugar. And you're going to put that in your pot. So there's one. Now people have recipes for fudge that involves milk, marshmallow cream, and all kinds of other stuff. And you know, I'm not saying that that's bad. That's good, but if you, this is more like a poor man's version. Let's put it that way. Alright. Then, after you put your 2 cups of sugar, see, you need 1/2 cup of water. And that's off, but I know what it is. So, get 1/2 cup of water. Now, I know it's going to look, and then you're going to put it on medium heat. And you're going to stir it around. Stir. Okay. Then you're going to turn it on medium heat and you're going to let it cook. And it's going to take, I don't know. We'll find out. But anyway, you're just going to keep stirring it, making sure you get the sugar off the sides, because the sugar will stick and you don't want grainy. Nobody wants grainy fudge. I know. Alright, the next thing that you need while you're doing this process is something to pour the fudge on. So what am I going to use? A regular old kitchen plate. This was my grandmother's. I love it. Okay. Now, next thing you can do is butter your plate. Butter. Or synthetic butter, who knows, whatever. But I like sugar on the side anymore. Don't even want to hear it. So just get you some on a paper towel and just lightly rub it the plate. You don't have to gob it on. You just kind of want to rub it. But if you use the cooking oil, it kind of gives it like a flavor. But you can use it, I guess, if you like it. But you just want to lightly, you see, you can't really even tell. You don't want big gobs of it or nothing like that. That's just to keep it from gluing itself to the plate. Anyway. That's all that's for. And, yeah. I'm reminded every time I'm on video how horrible I look. I need to quit the Pepsi, guys. I need to quit drinking Pepsi. It's almost, well, I would say it's almost summer, but we haven't even hit spring. I know it's technically spring, but yeah. Okay. So then, what you're going to have to do is you need peanut butter. Now, you can use whatever kind of peanut butter you want, but normally it tastes better if you use a better brand. I like Jif. That's what we eat here. We eat the creamy, but you can make it with the crunchy if you want. Also, I'm going to tell you this. This is going to be regular peanut butter fudge. But if you wanted to make it chocolate, all you would do is when you add your 2 cups of sugar, throw you in a couple tablespoons of the baking cocoa powder. Stir that in before you add the water, and then add your water. Now, I would say about 2 tablespoons, but you could add more, you could add less. It's just depending on taste. It's not like an exact science for the chocolate. I just use about 2 tablespoons. And when I say tablespoons, you know, you could use the, you know, you could use one of these, or you could use one of these, and this is about what I dip it out with. Not like a big heaping, you know, but you get the gist. Anyway, also, what you need is well, I'm going to go ahead and get that spoon, because I don't even know why I put that up. Because I'm going to use that to, let me throw this away. Now, kids love this. It's just something simple. When my kids were growing up, we would make this, and especially when I was growing up, my mom, my grandmother would make this, put it on a plate, especially the chocolate kind. As I got older, I like more of the peanut buttery now, but the chocolate's still good. The peanut butter is just my favorite. She would put it on a plate, and we would all grab spoons, and we would eat it before it even hardened. But today we're going to. Also, today you need an electric hand mixer. So go ahead and be getting your stuff ready. So we got all of our stuff ready. Let me stir. Make sure I get all the sugar off the sides. You don't have to have vanilla or anything like that to this. It's just as simple as sugar, water, and peanut butter, literally. And you know what, the touch of butter it takes to butter your plate or dish or whatever you want to put it on. It doesn't matter. So what's going to happen is, once this comes to a boil, and it will, when it comes to a boil, you let it boil for 1 minute. 1 minute exactly. And set your clock or timers or whatever you need to do. Set it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're going to take it off the heat. Turn your heat off. You don't want to burn your house down. Bring it, your peanut butter. You're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. If you want to go ahead and get that measured out while this is boiling, that's awesome. Me, I just go ahead and eyeball it because I've done it so many times. But add your 1 cup of peanut butter, and then you mix it. But we'll be right back. Alrighty, Rooster, we're back. Now, I should tell you this. Once it starts to come to a boil, you don't touch it. Don't stir it. Don't do anything to it. Just watch it boil for 1 minute. And then you take it off. Well, hold on. I'm going to get my peanut butter out of the jar. Okay. Now, be very careful when you do this, because this is very, very hot. So don't just go wild. I know you see the magnets on my fridge, but the kids go crazy. So I have grandkids. I have grandkids. And my house reflects. And if you don't like it, oh well. This is about 1 minute fudge, not my refrigerator magnet. This is great for holidays. Great for picnics. Alright. Once it starts to thicken up, and you'll know it because it'll be harder to mix. You're going to go ahead and you're going to But anyway, alright, because now it's going to be, this is what it's going to look like. You see that? And you can still move it, which means it's good because you're going to want to get it on out of the pan and onto the plate or dish or pan or, you know, whatever. And just be careful because the pan is hot. I know, I just burnt my thumb off. And you're going to want to try to get it all out. Normally, it'll pour right out. I probably mixed it for just a second too long because I was too busy blabbing, but it still tastes good. And then if it doesn't pour out, like mine did not, because I flipped it, then you can just spread it on the pan. It'll start to cool. It's starting to cool already, you see. It's not fabulous, but if you want to make yours fabulous, then go ahead. This is just for my family, so they're going to eat it. They don't care if it's fabulous, as long as it tastes good. Now, the best part about it is you get to try a little bite. Okay. And that is because you want to make sure that it's not grainy, like sugar grainy. That means that you didn't mix it good. It didn't boil long enough, but that's fine. Cool. Eat it hot. Let it cool, then cut it into squares, or however you want to do it. But this is simple and easy. It's cheap. Most people have sugar, water, and peanut butter laying around the house. It's something really easy to do. I figured I'd share it with everybody how easy it is, because people don't believe it, and it tastes good. So let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.